You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this airport. In the Netherlands, we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names from Dutch as well, that too many people mispronounce. So how do you say it in Dutch? It's said as Schiphol, skep. So you essentially have a sk sound and then hep and then hol. So you have to blow a little bit on the skip hole, not Schiphol. That would be more the English pronunciation, Schiphol. In Dutch, Schiphol. Schiphol is how it's said, Schiphol Airport. More videos for you here to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you, thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.